Hi Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to change YouTube video thumbnail on iPhone and Android. This tutorial is very useful for you who want to change your YouTube video thumbnail by using iPhone and Android. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's start the tutorial. To change your YouTube video thumbnail, I have two options. The first is by using YouTube Studio app, and the second option is by using browser. Okay, I'm going to show you for the first by using YouTube Studio app. Just open your YouTube Studio app. After opening YouTube Studio app, make sure that you have logged in to the channel where the video thumbnail you want to edit. And then just open content and choose the video. I want to choose this video. And here just tap pencil icon. And then just tap the thumbnail. You can see here, you can change the thumbnail by tap change. And this is your photo library. Just choose the new thumbnail from your photos library. For example, I want to choose this thumbnail. After checking the thumbnail, you can just tap select. And then just tap save. And your thumbnail will be changed. That is the first way to change your YouTube video thumbnail by using YouTube Studio app. And the second, you can use browser. If you don't have any YouTube Studio app, you can use browser to change your YouTube video thumbnail. You can use any browser like Safari, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Opera. Here I'm using iPhone, but don't worry, this tutorial works on iPhone and Android. So just open your browser. After opening the browser, just tap search bar and then type studio.youtube.com and then just tap go. After opening your YouTube Studio, make sure that you have logged into the right channel where the video thumbnail you want to change. Just tap content. And here are your videos. Just tap the video which the thumbnail you want to change. I want to choose this video. Just tap pencil icon. And then you can see there, I'll zoom this. Select or upload a picture that shows what's in your video. A good thumbnail stands out and draws viewers' attention. So make a good thumbnail to make more viewers coming to your videos. If I tap learn more and scroll down, image size and resolution. Your custom thumbnail image should be as large as possible. It will be used as the preview image in the embedded player. We recommend your custom thumbnail. Here are the recommendation. The first is have a resolution of 1280 x 720 with minimum width of 640 pixels. Be uploaded in image formats such as JPG, GIF, or PNG. Remain under the 2 MB limit. Try to use a 16:9 aspect ratio as it's the most used in YouTube players and previews. If you want to make a good thumbnail, you can follow this rule. I'll go back. To change your video thumbnail, just tap the thumbnail and you will see 3 dot icon. Just tap this. And there are two options, change and download. Just tap change. And you can change from photo library, take photo, or choose file. I want to choose from photo library. And here is your photo library. Choose the new video thumbnail you want to use. I want to use this. And tap choose. After checking your video thumbnail, you can see on the top right corner there is save button. Just tap save and your new video thumbnail will be saved. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and help you in changing your YouTube video thumbnail on iPhone and Android. Make sure that you have subscribed to Fauhow channel and don't forget to turn on notifications so that you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about YouTube tutorial. Thank you.